Welcome to the Alan White Sports Cars video for this lovely Morgan Plus 8 long door model, registered in 1999 with a mileage of 10,500 miles and presented in Connaught green. The interior is black leather, piped in green, and the car enjoys glorious 3.9 V8 engine, in this case breathing through stainless steel exhausts. A host of extras. You'll see the luggage rack. We've got the black mohair side screen bag, alloy wheels, bonnet stay kit, extra tread rubbers, hood pivots, Moto-lita steering wheel, badge bar, as you can see, photo build record, and a galvanised chassis.